Hello everyone, welcome to Cre8tive Now channel. In this video, I'm going to review the OnePlus Buds Z. So basically, I've won a voucher from the OnePlus Facebook page, which they host a voucher giveaway. And then after that, I placed the order in the directly website, and I've got it just 2 days after placing the order. So let's find out the details. Posted earlier on the ASMR unboxing of the OnePlus Buds Z. So in this video, I'm not going to share the unboxing. So basically, once you purchase the OnePlus Buds Z, it will come with this nice little box. So inside the box, you directly get your OnePlus Buds Z and the casing. And of course, inside the box, it comes with the accessories box, which inside the accessories box, it contains some of the let's get started manual and safety warranty cards. Of course, there's still the Type-C charging cable, which is a little bit short, and also some different size of the earbuds. So basically, let's come to the OnePlus Buds Z casing. Looking at the OnePlus Buds Z casing, it is definitely bigger than the Cre8tive X1 earbuds that I have currently. The casing does feel very premium with the smooth and shiny surface. However, if you have sweaty hands and you keep touching on the surface, you will feel a bit oily after using for a while. And of course, this can be solved by purchasing the Buds Z cover, which available in Lazada or Shopee platform. Opening the case, you feel a little bit of magnetic force pulling each other, and it is a little bit satisfying to open and close the case. This case has a Type-C port on behind of this case, and this Type-C port would be used to charge this charging case. And of course, with this price point, I won't expect any wireless charging capability on this case. Beside the Type-C port, there's also a button which used to reset the connections, show the battery level, or also showing the pairing status. I like the design of this button because it is not protruding and not very visible, which makes the casing design a little bit great. And of course, in front there's also the LED which shows the battery level or the pairing status. So inside this casing, you will have 2 earbuds for your left and right ears. And the design of this earbuds is very similar to the AirPods. There's also magnetic inside the casing, which holds the earbuds, and it won't fall if you open the case and put it upside down shaking. So looking at the surface of these earbuds, it is similar to the casing, which is shining and smooth. And it is really comfortable sitting in my ear, especially when I'm sitting or standing up, and it won't really feel protruding, so it's very comfortable inside my ears. And For the spec wise, I will not mention it in this video. You can check it out at the official website or also other review website. I'm not a heavy bass music user, so for me a clear microphone sound and also above average music quality would be good for me. So the pairing function is very easy. You just need to open up the case, and it will start to pair with your phone. Especially if you are using Android phone, then you will receive notification shortly, and you just need to press the connect button to connect to these earbuds. And once it is paired, it will automatically connect your device once you open the casing. So before you wear your buds, the connection might be already paired with your device. The good thing about these earbuds is that you can pair to multiple devices, but only connects to one device. And you could also use the earbuds individually. So meaning that you can use one side of the earbud and leave another side of the earbuds charging. And there's another great function come with this Buds Z is that you are allowed to switch different devices quickly by just pressing the earbuds in any of the side for 3 seconds. So once you have pressed 3 seconds, then you will listen to a notification sound and it switches your devices from one to another. So I really like this function very much. The music wise, it to me is very good on the quality. And if you are looking at the latency of these earbuds, I'll be including the results here. I've also tested the microphone quality for these earbuds. Testing mic 1 2 3. So this is the sound recorded from our OnePlus Buds Z. Battery life for these earbuds is really good. It can go for estimated of 4 hours of continuous using. So in this particular 4 hours, I've tried to gaming, movies, and even conference call, and it worked great. And for the case, it took around 1 hour to charge from 0 to 100%. And for this single charge, you are able to charge your buds for around 4 to 5 times. So basically, you'll get around 20 hours of usage for this one particular single charge for the Buds Z casing. And of course, there's official website that says that 10 minutes of charging could hold up to 3 hours of usage. So basically, I've tried on these buds with almost 0% of battery level in the casing and also the buds. And with 10 minutes of charging, you'll get around 30% of battery level at each of the buds and also the casing. However, I did not test on the usage for the 30% battery level, whether it holds up to 3 hours. So I'll leave you guys comment on the comment section below if you guys have the Buds Z. You can also download the Hey Melody app to connect it easily with the buds to customize the buds. So basically, in this app, you can customize the function for this 2 buds button. So you can customize whether is it for play, pause, or open your virtual assistant, such as Google Assistant or the Samsung's Bixby or others. But I do feel like this app is a little bit useless because it only allows you to customize the button for these buds and also showing the battery level for these buds. Overall, I feel that it's really worthy if you are using OnePlus devices, especially for OnePlus 7 and above, you'll be getting Dolby Atmos function for this Buds Z. And if you are not using OnePlus devices, you will not be able to get this function. If you are using the OnePlus devices and you are not looking for any advanced functions such as the noise cancelling functions or extra hours for this buds and the casing, then you can look for this budget OnePlus Buds Z instead of the OnePlus Buds Pro, because it's really worth it to go for this budget Buds Z. And if you does not use OnePlus devices, you use other brands of smartphones and tablets, then it is also, for me, it's also very worth it to purchase this Buds Z if you are on a budget and your budget ranges between the Buds Z, within the Buds Z pricing, which price around 229 ringgit Malaysia. Of course, you could get it cheaper if they are having some promotions in Lazada and Shopee. And if you have higher budgets and you are not using OnePlus devices, then I would recommend you to go for the earbuds produced by your phone brands, such as the Samsung Buds and also Apple AirPods, if you have higher budgets. If not, the Buds Z is still a choice for you. So that's all for this review video for the OnePlus Buds Z. And if you like this video, please give us a like, and we'll see you on the next episode.